making a beautiful Pinterest inspired mirror. Let me tell you what all material you will need for making this mirror. Decorated with handmade clay flowers. And here is how it turned out. Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I am making a beautiful Pinterest inspired mirror decorated with handmade clay flowers. This style has been trending all over social media and I couldn't resist myself creating my own version. I'll take you step by step through the whole process from sculpting the flowers to assembling the final piece. It looks so aesthetic and honestly it is one of the most fun DIYs I've ever done. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get into it. So first of all, let me tell you what all material you will need for making this mirror. Number one is this mirror. I have this acrylic mirror. You can use any mirror that you have. Another one, you will need definitely a packet of clay. This is a foam clay or super clay. आपको easily market में मिल जाएगी. Next one is glue for sticking the mirror. Sorry, for sticking the flowers, not mirror. Another one, these clay tools. If you don't have these clay tools, it's fine. You can use a toothpick. आपको सबके घर में होती है toothpick, so you can use that also. So first of all, I am looking for some references from Pinterest so that I can start. मुझे कुछ इस तरीके से colorful mirror बनाना है. वीडियो में दिख रहा होगा. Like this. Something like this also. So yeah, I have some ideas in my mind, so I think I should start. वैसे हमें ये पैकेट में भी clay tools मिलते हैं. If you don't have the clay tools, so it's a plus point for you guys. So like I told you before, I want to make my mirror look colorful, so I'm going to use each and every color in this packet of clay. So let's start making our clay flowers now. This clay is so satisfying. मैं इससे कुछ भी बनाती हूँ तो इतना ज़्यादा satisfying लगता है. ये बिल्कुल बहुत ही soft अलग ही टाइप की clay है ये. So with the help of this, मैं इन सबको flatten कर दूँगी. अगर आपके पास ये नहीं है तो कोई भी एक ऐसी चीज़ जिससे आप इनको फ्लैट कर सकते हो वो ले सकते हो. And here is how it turned out. I'm absolutely obsessed with the colors and the flowers came together. It looks just like the Pinterest ones. I'm loving it. And let me know in the comment section below what color combo you would like to try for your mirror. And don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe my channel because you guys are not doing that. So please go ahead and subscribe my channel for more such DIYs, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.